Welcome back. We're going to go ahead and pick this up and jump right into it. So we were working on a Rubytk Retropie Installer. So now we're going to add the functionality to if Retropie is installed. We need to go ahead and end this. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, down here. We can do it like this. Directory exists. Home, root home, pi, retro. Okay. So, if we don't even need to do that, so we can take that out. If directory Retropie setup exists, Rubytk. Let's see, where's my TK docs? Here we go. And we want to use Ruby, and we want to throw out a basic widgets, and then we want to throw out a come on. Why are you being so slow? It's probably my laptop. Let's see. Basic widgets, we'll just go from there. Go register, come on. Why are you being there we go. Don't know why it's being so slow. It's gotta be my laptop. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to throw out a message window. Now we can create one from scratch, or we can use the built-in widget. So let's find the one that we want. labels, don't want to display images. We want okay, this is killing me. Okay, here we go. Dialog boxes are a type of window used in an application to get some information from the user. So, how do we do this? Save as, continued. Now we want to throw a message box. Here we go. So, we're going to make message 1, really? Come on. We're going to make this into TK message box. Yep. TK message box dot new. Let's go up. Show info. Yep. We want Ruby message. Have a nice day. That needs to be down here. Cut, paste. Then we add a else statement. If it does not exist, then we can copy this. Else, we can throw another message. Change this to 2. Save. So let's go ahead and run a debug session. Okay, unexpected line of end using end. So did I forget to where is this end? Define end. Okay, so if else. Yes. We need to end our if statement. So let's check it out. Install Retropie and backtrace TK message box. Really? Initialize constant. Let's try that. Okay. Doesn't want to take that format, so let's give this a try. Message box. Okay. Right? Right. There we go. Retropie is already installed. But there you go. If I didn't have it installed, because the directory of Retropie is not true, it does not exist, it will run the second part of the if statement on the else side. If it's false, throw a message, box number 2, Retropie is downloading, and then once you exit out of that box, it will run the system git clone, change the directory, run the chmod system, everything. It will do that side. So there you go. I hope this gives you a little bit more of a understanding on how you can work with Rubytk to build any kind of graphic interface. But as you can see, we only use 50 lines of code. Now this will take out a lot of the process of the manual installation, a lot of the terminal work, which, you know, when we're dealing with programming, is really what we want to look for. User accessibility, how easy it is to use and maintain, and general functionality. How easy would it be for a person with no experience with programming or coding or very little use of using a computer? How easy can we make this program for them to use? So if you notice, especially on a lot of the Facebook boards, almost every new user asks, how do I use this? How do I install Retropie? And that's even after, even if they did look up how to do it and this, that, and the other, it can still be very confusing for people who have no idea on how to install Retropie. Even if it's just burning a disk image to it, not doing the Raspbian install and then manually installing Retropie over it. So when we're, as a computer programmer, or even if it's just for your own personal use, when you're developing a graphic program or a graphic application, you want to stop and think about, how can I make this process easier to work with? How can I refine the methods of interacting with my computer or interacting with my Raspberry Pi? And that's the biggest key to you want to keep in mind. How easy. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of Rubytk. At this point, if there is any type of graphic application that you would like to learn, or have any questions where you want me to show how to build, leave a comment in the video, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for your time.